Welcome to Spacious Affordability here at Southern Trace in Leeds, right off Highway 119. This is a pool community also, so that you can enjoy a clubhouse and a pool year-round without you having to keep it up all the time. Let's go inside. Such a great backyard here with this full privacy fence here at 629 Johnny's Cove in Leeds. And you noticed inside there are 4 bedrooms with the main level primary suite that is extra large and the open floor plan from the dining, kitchen, and the living room. I don't know if you saw that extra den upstairs, but it's the perfect place for everyone to come together and watch TV, binge watch for the whole weekend, and watch football games either out here or upstairs in that second den. I'm glad you were able to take the tour with me, but there's nothing like seeing a house in person. So give me a call and let's go see it together.